Okay, hello and welcome back to our grade 9 maths lesson. I am Mrs. Rea, your grade 9 maths teacher. Okay, in today's lesson we are going to look at geometry and we will be basically looking at the units of measurement. Okay, we have units of measurement. Units of measurement. Units of measurement tell us the exact value of a quantity. And it's very important to know the units of measurement so that we know how long it will take us, let's say for time, how long it's going to take you to do certain activities. We have to be accurate with the measurements. If you want to find the distance, you have to know how long the distance is. And units of measurements are very, very important and they must be standardized. Now, we are going to look at the units of measurement for length. Okay? Units of measurement for length are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. When we want to compare the different quantities, we have to convert from one unit to another. If you want to convert from millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10 because there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. From centimeter to meters, we divide by 100 because there are 100 centimeters in a meter. To convert from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000 because there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Now, to convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply by the same power of 10. From kilometers to meters, we multiply by 1,000. From meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. And from centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. Now, we are only concentrating on the conversion of units for length. Now, we are going to look at how to convert from one unit to another. Example, on map scales, there are map scales that you use to find the actual distance. On a map scale, let's say we have 1 is to 250,000. This simply means that 1 centimeter represents 250,000 centimeters on the ground. And if we want to convert 250 centimeters to kilometers, we can use this flow chart that I have used to convert from one unit to another. Let's say we have 250,000 centimeters, which we want to convert to kilometers. I simply count the number of zeros from centimeters to kilometers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So what I will do, I have 250,000 divided by 100,000. These zeros cancel out. Oops, one more zero here. This one cancels out. So that will be equal to 2.5 kilometers. So now the scale will be 1 centimeter is to 2.5 kilometers. Okay, let's say Peter wants to travel out in the city and he finds out that the fuel that he has in his vehicle can only take him for 5 kilometers, for 6 kilometers, and he now finds out that the distance from where he is to the nearest fuel station is 2 centimeters on the map. Now he wants to find out how many kilometers that is so that he could travel to the next fuel station to refill. Okay, so we have to use this scale. 1 centimeter is to 2.5 kilometers. So let's say we have the map distance is to the actual distance. So the map distance is 1 centimeter is to 2.5 kilometers. And Peter measures the distance from where he is to the nearest fuel station to be 2 centimeters. We do not know what the actual distance is. Now we are going to write that as an fraction 1 over 2.5 is equal to 2 over x. Then we cross multiply. X is equal to 2 times 2.5. So x is equal to 5 kilometers. Now, we know that the distance from where he is to the nearest fuel station is 5 kilometers. Now, this simply means that he has enough fuel to take him to the nearest station to refill, because the fuel that he has is only able to take him for 6 kilometers. Okay. Now, we have seen that you can convert from one unit to another using the conversion flow that I have put up on the board. Now, in our next lesson, we are going to look at perimeters. Okay? Perimeters, we are going to make use again of the conversion of units to convert from one unit to another. And I know it's going to be very interesting when we do perimeters, because we are going to look at the distance around a shape, and we will be looking at the circumference of a circle in our next lesson. Okay? See you when we meet next time. Okay? Goodbye.